What's up guys, welcome to Tommy unboxing review. Today I'm going to show you the FMS new 1/18th crawler. Now this is a official licensed product. This is the licensed Chevrolete K10. Now let's unbox it. Here is the transmitter. Wow. Charger. That's all. And this is even like a manual. I don't know why. Now let's see the kitchen. It's a hard bodies with beautiful paintings here. You can see. A lot of details. The Chevrolete logo and the bumpers just shining like mirrors. Headlights, turn signal lights, the mirrors also shining. The wind, sorry, the doors can't open. The chrome wheels, tires, by the way, the chassis I remember is a little bit longer than the former 1/18th chassis. You can see the shafts is so long, and the shocks it even close. It's even in horizontal positions. Also the same 180 brushed motors, plastic rods, now let's open the hood. Just the same as 2S batteries, ESCs, on-off switch, Route 661. Look at it. By the way, the trunk can fold, so you can put some in the pickups here. Sorry, I found the manuals. It's under the cover of the box. Now let's see the lights system for the K10. Turn light signals. When I push forward and when I reverse, the reverse lights turn on. Now let's switch the headlights. Headlights, and this is much brighter. And this is emergency light mode. and this is off. Now let's see the smooth of the crawlers. And this is a slowest speed. Now let's see the fastest speed. You can put something in here in the trunk. For examples, such as my customers, it has batteries. Oh. It's so heavy for this little crawlers because the batteries is 1.5 kilograms in weight. Now that's all about this little crawlers.